Hi, welcome back to my first YouTube video. Today we're trying to fix the GTX Titan, not giving out no signal at all. So, let's go. After the 20 minutes of the hairdryer onto the chip of the graphics card, give it like 5 to 10 minutes just to cool down. Okay, now the graphics card is done. Just gonna get tissue, so there's no dust on it, just wipe it off. Alcohol on it as well. Just wipe it off. Make sure it's all on. Needs a bit of thermal paste. Just make sure. Rub it all in. Okay, so now the thermal paste is all applied to the chip, just like this. All you gotta do is just put it back together. Right, so I've put the graphics card fully back together now. Right, let's go test it. Right, now putting graphics card into the PCIe slot. Cable extensions. Though if it does work, I'll sort it all out to make it look nice, but quickly test it, see if it even gives me a signal at all. Okay, so now I've tried this DVI to VGA to the back of the monitor. Still no signal. Everything all set up. So let's turn it on. See if it gives a signal. Everything should be on smooth. These fans are spinning. No signal at all.